Dear 10th standard students, in this video class, I am going to teach the chapter Numbers and Sequence, the topic Modular Arithmetics. In the modular arithmetics, from the exercise 2.3, sum number 10 and example number 2.14 to 2.18. 10th sum, the duration of flight travel from Chennai to London through British Airlines is approximately 11 hours. The aeroplane begins its journey on Sunday at 23:30 hours. If the time at Chennai is 4.5 hours added to that of London's time, then find the time at London. When will the flight lands at London airport? Given time taken to travel from Chennai to London by flight 11 hours. Time and day when the journey begins. At 23:30 hours on Sunday. To find the time at London, the flight lands at the London airport. Time differs Chennai and London. 4.30 hours less than Chennai. The reaching time is 23.30 plus 11 congruent to x mod 24. 23.30 plus 11 34.30 congruent to x mod 24. 34.330 minus x is equal to 24k. K is some integer. 34.30 minus x is multiple of 24. 34.30 minus 10.30 is equal to 24. Is multiple of 24. X is equal to 10.30. 10 hours 30 minutes minus 4 hours 30 minutes is equal to 6 hours. Flights lands at London airport at 6 a.m. on Monday. Example number 2.14. Solve 8x congruent to 1 mod 11. Given that 8x congruent to 1 mod 11, here 8x is the dividend. When 8x is divided by 11, we get the remainder is 1. Find the value of x. It can be written 8x minus 1 is equal to 11k. For some integer k, 8x is equal to 11k plus 1. X is equal to 11k plus 1 by 8. When we put the values of k is 5, 13, 21, 29 and so on, then 11k plus 1 is divisible by 8. Put k is equal to 5. X is equal to 11 into 5 plus 1 by 8. 11 into 5, 55 plus 1 by 8. 55 plus 1, 56. 56 by 8, we get 7. Put x is equal to 13. Put k is equal to 13. Put k is equal to 13. X is equal to 11 into 13 plus 1 by 8 is equal to 11 into 13, 143 plus 1 by 8. 143 plus 1, 144 by 8. 144 by 8, we get 18. Put k is equal to 21. Then x is equal to 11 into 21 plus 1 by 8. 11 into 21, we get 231 plus 1 by 8. 231 plus 1, 232 by 8. 232 divided by 8, we get 29. Therefore, the solutions are 7, 81, 29, 40 and so on. Example number 2.15. Compute x such that 10 power 4 congruent to x mod 19. Given 10 power 4 congruent to x mod 19. 10 power 2 is 100. When 100 is divided by 19, we get the remainder 5. So 100 congruent to 5 mod 19. 10 power 4 is written as 10 power 2 the whole power 2. It can written like this: 10 power 2 to the power 2 congruent to 5 power 2 mod 19. 10 power 2 to the power 2 we get 10 power 4 congruent to 25 mod 90. 25 congruent to 6 mod 90. 25 divided by 19 we get the remainder 6. So 25 6 replace 25. 10 power 4 congruent to 6 mod 19. X is 6. Example number 2.16. Find the number of integer solutions of 3x congruent to 1 mod 15. Given 3x congruent to 1 mod 15. When 3x is the dividend is divided by 15, we get the remainder 1. It can be written as 3x minus 1 is equal to 15k. For some integer k, 3x is equal to 15k plus 1, x is equal to 15k plus 1 by 3, x is equal to 15k by 3 plus 1 by 3. 15k by 3 is 5k plus 1 by 3. Since 5k is an integer, 5k plus 1 by 3 cannot be an integer. So, there is no integer solution. Example number 1.17. A man starts his journey from Chennai to Delhi by train. He starts at 23.30 hours on Wednesday. If it takes 32 hours of traveling time and assuming that the train is not late, when will he reach Delhi? Starting time 22.30 hours on Wednesday. Traveling time 32 hours. Reaching time 22.30 plus 32 congruent to x mod 24. Here 22.30 plus 32 we get 54.30 congruent to x mod 24. It can be written like this: 54.30 minus x is equal to 24k. K is some integer. 54.30 minus x is multiple of 24. 54.30 minus 6.30 is equal to 48. 48 is multiple of 24. So x is 6.30. Thus, he will reach Delhi Friday at 6:30 hours. Example number 2.18. Kala and Vani are friends. Kala says, "Today is my birthday," and she asks Vani, "When will you celebrate your birthday?" Vani replies, "Today is Monday and I celebrate my birthday 75 days ago. Find the day when Vani celebrates her birthday." Kala's birthday is on Monday today. Vani's birthday is on 74 days ago from today. Weekdays Sunday to Saturday represent 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 respectively. Monday is 1. Weekdays Sunday to Saturday represent 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 0 is Sunday, 1 is Monday, 2 is Tuesday, 3 is Wednesday, 4 is Thursday, 5 is Friday, 6 is Saturday. 1 minus 75. 1 today is Monday. Monday is 1. 1 minus 75 congruent to x mod 7. Minus 74 congruent to x mod 7. Minus 70 minus 4 congruent to x mod 7. 70 is multiple of 7. So it is divisible by 7. We take only minus 4. Minus 4 congruent to x mod 7. It can be written minus 4 minus x is equal to 7n. N is some integer. N is some integer. 4 minus x is multiple of 7. Minus 4 minus 3 is equal to minus 7. Minus 7 is multiple of 7. So x is 3. The day for the number 3 is Wednesday. Therefore, Vani's birthday must be on Wednesday.